Ford Mustang GT convertible. 302 or 5 liter underneath the hood. Paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia headlights. Marker lights, you can see, are more modern. Those are not stock. Front fascia would be for the GT though. Paint looks good in the hood. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the sale price of this car. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Riding on a chrome torque thrust style wheel. Now, according to the previous owner of this vehicle, I want to fill you in. It does say that it has a salvage title on Carfax. Reason behind that is when this car was repaired, the book value on them did not amount to a whole lot. So the insurance company did put a total on it because of that percentage. Now, it was a nice enough car to repair, so they repaired it. And we've been through it in our shop and safetied it, gone through it, drives out nice. So we are representing this one. Just want to make that straightforward, and then we'll reflect it in the price. So just want to be up front, let you know about that. And if you'd like a third party to come take a look at it, inspect it for you, drive it, report back, not a problem with that at all. Open door policy for third party inspectors. Another thing is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Here's the previous owner. Did like the 96 to 98 taillight style better than the 94s, which I can't say I blame him. Dual exhaust. And there's some touch up, and where you can see it's had the repaint in the rear fascia. Nice car, just jump in, drive, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, maybe get some ice cream, put the top down, just take a Sunday drive. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Look at the underside, interior, engine bay. There's over 120 pictures of this car online, UniqueClassicCars.com. We take a look down the driver's side. You can see the paint shows well on it. I mean, yes, there's imperfections here and there. It is black. It's a 94. Cloth interior. Kind of a medium gray. Of course, bucket seats. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Cruise control on the steering column, or steering wheel, I should say. Has had a Pioneer AM FM CD player added. They did have that working. Miles in the car, 84,883. Radio is working. No check engine lights, anything like that on this. Parking brake, I'll put that down. Dash. Good condition, clock working. AC does blow cold too. Wanted to click that on a second. AC does blow cold. A little closer look at the seats. I didn't notice any major rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Kind of showing the typical wear that you'd have with a car with this kind of miles and age. Nothing terrible. Door closes nicely. Slip around the back. Listen to this. Nice sounding 302. I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay, and then we're going to check out the top. It's a black vinyl top. It's power. Everything functions as it should. Let's check out the engine bay, and then we'll move on to that. Underside of the hood. Looks good. There it is. Did notice some adjustable dash camera plates up top. power pipe or cold air intake, if you will. Strut tower brace. Nice clean engine bay. Smooth runner. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC was full. And let's go ahead, put this power top up, check that out, and we'll wrap this video up. And here it is with the top up. So black vinyl top, power, functions as it should. As you can see, nice fit above the windshield. Here's to be original. Just a little bit of wear on the edges. That's kind of about the only thing I've seen is in a couple spots, just a little bit of wear. Rear glass window with defogger. And then just a little bit right over there. And really, that's it. It's going to serve its purpose. You need to stay at a little pop-up shower, or maybe just want to be out of the sun. Convertible top is going to suit its purpose just fine. 1994 Ford Mustang GT convertible. A little over 80,000 miles on it. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726. Check out all the still pictures, undersides, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1994 Ford Mustang. This is a convertible in black. 5-speed manual on the center console. The AC is blowing cold right now, which is nice on this 90+ degree day. Good acceleration in this Mustang. All our gauges appear to be working. Temperature, battery, and oil pressure are pretty much straight up in the normal range. Fuel is 3/4 of a tank. The odometer is showing 84,881 on the dash. There's a Pioneer aftermarket stereo. Got nice gray and black accents in here and cloth bucket seats. It's a smooth riding car. If I let go of the wheel, she stays straight in the lane. This is a convertible. We currently have the top up. Brakes are working good. Corners well, doesn't lean too much in the corners. Nice shifting, good clutch feel. 1994 Mustang convertible. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.